I have a proposition for hair salons and hair salons only. My proposition is that for $1 per month, for 3 months, no obligation, I will market your salon to the 50 closest new residents that move into your community. The reason I can do this is I know it works. I know new resident works. New resident marketing works. I know especially that new resident marketing works for salons. I have 80 some odd salons that I work with in North Jersey. I have, as a matter of fact, the first salon I signed up in June of 09. I have the second salon in July of 09, a third salon in July of 09. I have a waiting list for the first salon territory for 2.5 some odd years. What new resident marketing is very simple. As a new resident moves into your community, we send them in a town hall envelope, and can't underestimate the impact of receiving an envelope from town hall when you first move in. People will open it. Inside the envelope is a high quality digitally printed gift ad card. We'll put that together at no cost for you. Your responsibility will be to honor the gift card. The gift is a complimentary haircut. That's what works. That's what helps grow to your salon. And the idea is pretty simple. If someone moves into town, they're going to find a salon. If someone's lived in town for 20 years, they pretty much know who they're getting a haircut by and who they're getting a pizza from or their car fixed, as a side note. So these new residents are looking for a salon. Town Hall knows how to find them. We use multiple sources of data. We do double suppression on our data. I won't bore you with the details. We know how to find them. So if you're interested in reaching out to the new residents in your community, and you want to take me up on my proposition that for $1 per month, I will market your business to the 50 closest new residents, then give us a call. Go online, send me an email. We'll reach back out to you. We'll put the program together, and we will bring new residents to your door. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you.